Makers, in this video we will see how we can upload our project to our GitHub account easily. You may upload your project onto GitHub for different reasons like sharing your project with other people, working on the same project with your team, hosting using GitHub, but the process will remain the same. Even if there are different ways to upload your project onto GitHub, we are gonna to see the easiest and safe method. So hit the subscribe button to join Makers Group and like the video. To upload your project onto GitHub, you need to have a GitHub account. You can create your own GitHub account for free. After that, press the plus icon on the right top corner and create new repository. You need to give your repository a specific name. You cannot have two repositories with the same name. You can also describe your project as well. Now choose your project visibility. If you want to make your project private, you may need to pay some fee, so I will choose for public. After setting everything, press the Create Repository button to create the new repository. Now we will be redirected to another page. As you can see, this page is like manual which guide us to upload our project onto a GitHub using Git. If you do not install Git until now, you can install it for free. The download link is given in the description and the installation is straightforward. After installing Git, if you right-click on your project folder, you will see gitbash. Click on it to open the gitbash command line. Now we will be creating new repository on the command line. Okay, let's follow the instruction. First we need to write git init command to initialize our Git repository. For my case it says reinitialize because I have already run this command before. Let me delete the Git file from the folder and run the command again to start from scratch. If you do not see the Git folder, you need to make visible the hidden items in your project folder by navigating to View. Git add file name command is used to specify the files which you want to add. If you run git add command for file that do not exist inside your project folder, you will face an error. So you have to run this command for files that exist in your project folder, or you can run the command as git add dot to upload all files inside your project folder. Let us run git commit -m, my first commit, to make our first commit. The command git branch -m master is used to choose master branch. You can also work with other branch if you wish. The next command is git remote add origin, your SSH address. And the last command is git push -u origin master. This command will upload the files onto our GitHub account. If you do not connect your account with Git, it will ask you to do that, so you need to authorize your Git software on your GitHub account. After you run the last command, the project will be successfully uploaded to your GitHub account. You can refresh to see the uploaded project onto your account. If you add files on your local project, or if you change anything in your project, you can push the change easily onto your project on GitHub. To push any change to GitHub, you need to go to the git bash and run the command git add the changed file or dot if you change multiple file. Then run git commit -m second commit or update. The naming is up to you. Until now the change is not uploaded, but it is ready for uploading. Then finally run git push -u origin master to publish the change on your account. Thank you for your time and consider subscribing.